This is about 30 minutes after the first video that I posted on Mark's page. And this is now. This may be worse than the 2003 flood that we had. It's all in the roads in front of our house. I worry about the post office being flooded. I worry about Angelina's being flooded. I mean, it's just awful. In the roads everywhere. Canal Coon Branch is totally covered. This is our bridge. The water's up in our yard, and that is a very deep place for it to come up into our yard. So please, if you don't have to get out, stay in.